स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं दशम्यां कक्षायां पाठं पठामः। पाठस्य नाम सुभाषितानि। पूर्वस्यां कक्षायाम् अस्माभिः श्लोकचतुष्टयम् अधीतम् आसीत्। अद्य तदग्रे पठामः। तत्पूर्वम् आरम्भतः सर्वेषां श्लोकानाम् अर्थं जानीमः। प्रथमः श्लोकः एवम् अस्ति। आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान् रिपुः नास्त्युद्यमसमो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति। गुणी गुणं वेत्ति न वेत्ति निर्गुणो बली बलं वेत्ति न वेत्ति निर्बलः पिको वसन्तस्य गुणं न वायसः करीच सिंहस्य बलं न मूषकः। निमित्तमुद्दिश्य हि यः प्रकुप्यति ध्रुवं स तस्यापगमे प्रसीदति। अकारणद्वेषि मनस्तु यस्य वै कथं जनस्तं परितोषयिष्यति। उदीरितोऽर्थः पशुनापि गृह्यते हयाश्च नागाश्च वहन्ति बोधिताः। अनुक्तमप्यूहति पंडितो जनः परेङ्गितज्ञानफला हि बुद्धयः। निमित्तम् उद्दिश्य हि यः प्रकुप्यति, यः केवलं निमित्तम् उद्दिश्य प्रकुप्यति कोपं प्राप्नोति, ध्रुवं सः तस्यापगमे प्रसीदति, सः तस्य अपगमे ध्रुवं प्रसीदति। अकारणद्वेषी मनस्तु यस्य वै, यस्य मनः अकारणद्वेषी तु वै जनः कथं जनस्तं परितोषयिष्यति, जनः तं कथं वा परितोषयिष्यति। यः निमित्तम् उद्दिश्य प्रकुप्यति, one who gets angry because of some of the reasons, definitely after that reasons goes away he will be happy. But the whose mind gets anger, hates because of no reason, nobody can make him happy. That is the meaning of the shloka 3. That's why, so good pal, that's why it is told that uttametu kshanam kopaha. If a good person is there, only 1 second anger will be there. Madhyametu kshanadvayam. If the average person is there, 2-3 minutes you will be angry. Adhame janma paryantam. So worst people will have the anger throughout their life. You must remember the Wordsworth poem Poisonous Tree. Very beautiful poem. Whenever you get the time, please read that poem Poisonous Tree. Wordsworth writes that in the heart, hatred is like a poisonous tree. If you hate your friend, if you are angry with your friend, you will immediately show that I am angry with you. But when you are angry with your enemy, you will not show, you will not shout, you will keep it in the heart. So the seed of the anger is kept in the heart. Every day, every time you look at your enemy, that tree grows up, grows up, grows up. So my dear Pandeji, please let the Satvik Hiremat in. He is waiting in the lobby. Okay, whenever that poisonous tree, when you hate somebody, always whenever you look at that person, that tree will grow on. It will grow so much that you can never cut the tree. That's why please learn that never hate anybody. You are hating somebody means you yourself is in the trouble. Avagatam. Understood? That's why akaranadveshi manastu yasya vai. Yasya manaha akaranadveshi bhavati. Janaha katham tam paritoshayishyati. You cannot make that man happy. Next shloka. Chaturtha shlokaha asti. Did all of you understand the third shloka? Say yes or no. Otherwise, I will repeat once again.
Yes, sir.
Boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please Google for the poisonous tree if you get the time. Udiritortaha pashunapi gruhyate. I am repeating these shlokas because yesterday some of the students messaged me that because of the network they could not understand these two shlokas. I am repeating them. उदीरितोऽर्थः पशुनापि गृह्यते हयाश्च नागाश्च वहन्ति बोधिताः अनुक्तमप्यूहति पंडितो जनः परेङ्गितज्ञानफला हि बुद्धयः उदीरितः अर्थः पशुनापि गृह्यते whatever is told even the animals understand them if they are trained just like hayaha horses nagaha elephants they carry the weight because they are trained. He is the intelligent panditaha janaha. He is the intelligent one who understands what is not told to you. If you are understanding that what is not told to you, then you are an intelligent, is it? Huh? The beautiful saying is there in English. Everybody understand. A fool understands by his own mistake, whereas a clever understands by others. So a fool waits until he does the mistake. Some fools say even after doing the mistakes they don't understand. But a clever is the that person one who understands with others' mistake. Somebody has done the mistake and he is experiencing the worst thing out of that. So intelligent understands that if one slap is there in the corner, the rest will understand. No need that everybody should get the slap. Okay? Intelligent understands when others get the slap. Okay? Like that. Anuktamapyuhati pandito janaha. What is not told, intelligent understands. Parengita gnana phalahi buddhayaha. With the signs, just like sign, the boy in the door just gives a sign the teacher is coming, automatically everybody the intelligence will understand, is it? That is called intelligence. With the signs you have to understand. Atra व्याकरणांशाः सन्ति. उदीरितोऽर्थः उदीरितः अधिकम् अर्थः उदीरितोऽर्थः पूर्वरूपसन्धिः पशुनापि पशुना अधिकम् अपि पशुनापि. See one question now. उदीरितोऽर्थः पशुनापि गृह्यते. रवितेज अत्र किं वाच्यं? कर्तृवाच्यं वा कर्मवाच्यं वा?
Sir, karma vacham.
कर्मवाच्यं. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. अत्र कर्तृपदं किम्?
Pashuna api.
पशुना इत्येव. पशुना अपि उदीरितः अर्थः गृह्यते. Can you make it as a कर्तृवाच्य? I will tell you the sentence. Okay. Pashuna is karta. पशुना अपि उदीरितः अर्थः गृह्यते. पशुना इज कर्तृवाच्य कर्तृपदम. अर्थः इति कर्मपदम. गृह्यते इति क्रियापदम. उदीरितः इति अर्थः इत्यस्य विशेषणम. Got it? Now can you make it as a कर्तृवाच्यम?
Pashuna api udarita artha
गृह्यते.
gruhati.
सो पशुना तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं तत् प्रथमा विभक्तौ करोतु.
पशुनः
पशुना गुरुणा इति तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं. प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचने किं
पशु
भवति?
पशु
पशुः. अपि
पशुः
अपि विल
उदीरतः
रिमेन as it is अपि. पशुः अपि.
पशुः अपि उदीरतो अर्थः
That is in prathama vibhakti.
गृह
Now that you should make into the dvitiya vibhakti.
उदीरतो अर्थं
उदीरितम अर्थम.
उदीरितम् अर्थं गृहति
गृह्यते इत्यत्र गृह धातुः. गृह धातुः लट् लकारे किं भवति? पकड़ना, कैचिंग.
yes.
गृह्णाति किं भवति? गृह्णाति. Yes. Now next sentence. स ईश्वर हयाश्च नागाश्च वहन्ति बोधिताः. एतत् कस्मिन् वाच्ये अस्ति? स ईश्वर हयाश्च नागाश्च वहन्ति बोधिताः. किं वाच्यं? किं वाच्यं? Very easy. Looking at the words, you should understand that whether it is kartruvacha or karmavacha.
I'm not getting.
Not getting. कः वदति?
Shall I translate?
Yes, yes. कर्तृवाच्यं. See, very simple is there.
Yes.
वहन्ति. वहन्ति इति अस्ति चेत् कर्तृवाच्यं. हयाः नागाः. So it should be हयैः नागैः. Understood? Next. अनुक्तमप्यूहति पंडितो जनः. किं वाच्यं? Very easy. कर्तृवाच्यं. अत्र जनः इत्यस्य विशेषणं किम्? पंडितः. सो पंडितेन जनेन अनुक्तम अपि ऊह्यते. सो हाउ टू मेक कर्मवाच्यम? पंडितेन जनेन अनुक्तम अपि ऊह्यते. गट इट? परेंगित ज्ञान फलाहि बुद्धयः. पर इंगितम परेंगितम ज्ञानं फलं येषां ते ज्ञानफलाः इति भवति. ज्ञानफलाः बुद्धयः. बुद्धयः इत्यस्य विशेषणं परेंगितज्ञानफलाः. बुद्धिः मीन्स इंटेलिजेंस. Intelligence is what you understand with the signs of others. अवगतम्? समीचीनम्. संकेत अंडरस्टूड? पंचमं श्लोकं प्रति चलामः. क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय. यथा स्थितः काष्ठगतो हि वह्निः स एव वह्निर्दहते शरीरम्. क्रोधो हि वह्नि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां. नराणां प्रथमः शत्रुः क्रोधः हि. The first enemy of the man is his anger. Dehastitaha. Where it lies? The anger is in the body and it is there for the sake of spoiling the body. It is there inside the body and it is spoiling the body. Is it not? So the sugar which is there outside will not spoil you. If the sugar is there in the blood, that will spoil. Like that, the anger which is there the inside the body, it will spoil the body. That's why people say that as you grow, the anger should come down. When you are very young, now you are reaching your teenagers. Now, one of the main reason in the teenagers is that you will get angry. You will develop the anger now. In the childhood, you don't have the anger. Only hatha was there. Is it? You are having the hatha. Now your hatha will turn into the krodha. You might have observed now. Now you are already in the 10th class. Adolescence already you have climbed up the adolescence. So in the childhood, what you had, that is just you are doing, no, I want, I want. That was not anger. That was just like hatha, I want. But now your hatha will turn into the krodha. So that's why krodho hi shatruhu prathamo naranam. The worst and the first enemy of the man is the anger. Where is the anger? Dehastitaha. Dehestitaha. Dehastitaha. It is in the body. Dehasya vinashanaya. It is there to spoil the body. Beautiful example is given. Yatha. Just like काष्ठगतः हि वह्निः यथा वह्निः काष्ठगतः स्थितः हि सह एव वह्निः शरीरं दहते शरीरं नाम काष्ठस्य शरीरं the fire where is the fire is there in the wood is it not you might have seen in the forest when two wooden pieces will rub each other the fire will burst there so where is the fire is there in the wood the fire which is there in the wood it is going to completely burn the wood like that the anger which is there in our body it will be going to burn the body that means it is going to see the worst the death of this body पुनः एकवारं पश्यामः क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय यथा स्थितः काष्ठगतो हि वह्निः स एव वह्निः दहते शरीरम् संधिच्छेदं पश्यामः क्रोधो हि क्रोधः हि प्रथमो नराणां प्रथमः नराणां प्रथमो नराणां विसर्गसन्धिः देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय देहस्थितः देहविनाशनाय काष्ठगतो हि काष्ठगतः हि काष्ठगतो हि स एव सह एव स एव विसर्गस्य लोपः वह्निर्दहते वह्निः अधिकं दहते वह्निर्दहते विसर्गस्य रेफः so we have seen विसर्गस्य ओत्वं विसर्गस्य लोपः विसर्गस्य रेफः all examples are there क्रोधः पर्यायपदं कोपः शत्रुः रिपुः अरिः इति भवति नराणां मनुष्याणां मानवानां मर्त्यानां देहः वपुः शरीरं गात्रं काष्ठम, काष्ठम very rare word is there, पर्याय पदम, please note down. काष्ठ नाम दारु, काष्ठ इत्यस्य पर्याय पदम दारु इत्यपि अस्ति. वह्निः, वह्निः नाम अग्निः, अनलः, पावकः. These are all the synonyms of vanhi. Vanhihi, agnihi, analaha, pavakaha. कृष्णवर्त्मा इत्यपि अस्ति. दहते शरीरं, शरीरम् अनन्तरं देहः अत्रैव दत्तम् अस्ति. एवं भवन्तः सम्यक्